Okay, okay.
So we're having dinner at Miss Yang Malatang, no? Local na Chinese resto, but merong branch na dito sa SM. So food review tayo so far, nakain. Yan, ano yan kuya?
This is smoked ham with celery.
No? Yung unang mauna ata kasi crispy, no? Masarap.
Yep. Parang onion ang celery eh.
No? This one is anong tawag ito? Goose.
Parang goose na soup.
Soup, no? Okay din, tikman namin. Amay, ano so far sa'yo? Ano nakain mo? Rice.
Rice is okay.
Then yan. What about this? What about this one? This is pork. Ito?
Crispy pork.
Crispy pork nila. No? Sarap yung pagkaluto. Then, of course, the rice. So this resto started first branch at Aparente Avenue in City Heights. Tapos second branch nila, bigger branch is here in SM Jensan, no? Dito kami nakapost sa open area. This is expansion area nila sa labas. Malaki, so hands-on yung may-ari mismo, no? In operating. Siya yung Miss Malatang, no? Kanina. So personally entertaining yung guests saka yung kitchen. What about yung drinks natin, kuya? Anong in-order natin?
That's mango.
This kiwi. This kiwi.
Green apple. This is blueberry.
Yung mango siguro ito yung last na ko natin. Last na option. Gusto nyo o whatever?
Okay, gusto mo green apple?
Ha? Sige, okay na lang. Later. So yung kanila drinks nila, they have buy one, take one. No? Buy one, take one. So we're 3. So order kami ng dalawa. Sa labas, this SM open area ng SM Jensan. You have a feel, no? Vibe na Chinese talaga kasi yung mga accessories niya in Chinese. Tingnan natin yung facilities na sa loob yun, no? Diyan. That's it. Then they have this traditional culture, no? Miss Yang Malatang. Pangalan niya mismo, no? Bilib ako may-ari nito, bilib sa marketing prowess ng name niya. Yung pangalan. That's the other side ng resto. Okay, then so far customer service. Okay yung customer service. No? Very attentive, mabilis. The order is also quick, no? Kuya, no? Parang less than order ata. 3 minutes lang, andyan na.
One guy doing everything.
Mabilis, no? They have a system, no, of doing this highly recommended na resto, na Chinese resto here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Super fast. Ang only comment ko lang sa resto niya, hindi siya nag-accept ng credit card. Still cash at saka GCash. But kung makita mo yung volume ng sales niya, can easily get yung minimum target. So, kakain muna kami ng delicious. So far lahat ng luto, no? Okay? Ano bang negative so far here?
None.
So far? Okay? Super masarap. So, highly recommended na originally set up Chinese resto here in Jensan. First branch niya is Jensan. Tapos, she expanded in Marbel, no? This is, yeah.
Baka lang yung ma'am.